Solidworks Cam has been introduced in the year 2018 to become the integration part of design and manufacturing departments. Solidworks Cam has a capability of 2.5-axis and 3-axis milling and 2-axis staining operations. Also, availability of 4th and 5th axis indexing can also be achieved in Solidworks Cam. The machines can be easily defined with respect to the duty cycles, what we have to be done, and the different set of tool stations are also available. The post-process that we are engaged with the real-time machining setups can also be bring up into the SolidWorks Cam, and the output can be easily generated with respect to the parts and the assembly we manufacture. SolidWorks Cam can easily enable to generate the operation plans, and with respect to the tool parts can also be generated. So the each setups can be easily defined by moving the cursor into the feature manager tree and allows the sequences that we are generated, and instantly we are able to create a simulation of the tool paths that has been generated in NC programs. The collisions become a creative of the reduction of the part tool life and can also be easily engaged with respect to the current status of the part. So the collisions can also be easily detected with respect to the shank and the holders what we are applicable for our part designs. So in case of any fixture designs, we can able to create the configurations. The configurations can be easily defined with respect to the machine operations and the machine setups. So the each configurations can be easily created with respect to the front and rear camera of this mount for an example. The corner slowdown option can also be easily engaged to reduce the tool wear and tear and to increase the tool life. So we have a fantastic capability to enhance the part designs even more better. In SolidWorks Cam, we have a advanced technology called technology database. In technology database, we have inbuilt in tools. What are the tools we are going to use in our real-time machines, so that tools can be easily created with respect to the substations and the output of the post process with respect to the duty cycles. We are able to create NNC programs, and the feed speed can be easily controlled with respect to the parts, and each tools can be easily defined and everything is customizable. So in accordance with the assembly, it's similar to the part how we are simulating. The same process can be easily followed in our assembly manufacturers. So in coming to the area of focus of turning operations can also be easily defined with respect to the two technology advanced with SolidWorks Cam has been inbuilt. The first one is a knowledge-based machining and another one is a tolerance-based machining. So SolidWorks Cam is able to read dim experts. The apply of dimensions with respect to the tolerance we follow can be easily modified then and there in case of any changes. So the tolerance can be easily maintained in case of any ISO that the industry may follow, that can easily instantly we can able to change by using all the parameters. And not only that, the tolerance-based setups can be easily extracted in an automatic manner as well as the interactive manners on the special features like groove cuttings, etc. So in this case of examples, I would like to extract the features, and the finishing can be easily improved by the 2 times of the passes of the surface finish can easily engage even more better by looking on the feature manager tree. So to maintain the tolerance without affecting the surface of this model, I just by maintaining the 2 cross of finish and the 1 rough finish of this part can easily engage, and the simulation of the tool paths can be easily evaluated within the design stage itself. So the NC program has an ability of the NC editor inbuilt apps can also be easily customized. So in case of any doubts, please contact Aegis Computers India. Thank you.